Hello friends, today we are going to learn basic concepts in geometry. So first we are going to see which are the basic concepts in the geometry. First, point. Second, line. Third, line segment. Line segment. Fourth, ray. And fifth, plane. We are going to learn point, line segment, ray and plane. So let's start from the point. What is meant by point and how to read the point and how to write the point? In this box, I am writing point and A, and in this box, I am writing point Q. So, how to read this? This is reading as point A, and this point Q. This point A and this point Q. Like this. Now we are going to see what is meant by line and what is meant by line segment. First, we are going to see what is the difference between the line and line segment. Here, there are two figures. This PQ. This is line. This is line, and this is line segment. Let's see what is the difference between line and line segment. In line, both sides there are arrow, means line has innumerable length. Line doesn't stop, and here there are no arrows in line segment, means line segment cannot grow, and line can grow both the sides, and line segment cannot grow. Now we are going to learn how to read the names of line and line segment. Here L, P, Q. The name of line can be read as in the form of single name or the names by taking two end points, means this line is line L and this line is line PQ. This also correct and this also correct. Sometimes they give to us single name and sometimes they give to us names of endpoints. And how to read now line segment? Here MN means we can read segment MN or line segment MN. This is AB. We can read line segment A B. Now we are going to learn ray. Have you seen the rays of the sun? Rays of the sun comes from the sun and reach to the earth. They travel to the one side or single side. These are the rays. How to read the name of the ray? Ray start from the end point, ray PQ, and this ray you write AB, but AB is wrong. Start from the B, ray BA. While reading the name of the ray, start from this, their end, from the tail to the you read from tail from V. These are the main concepts of the geometry. Now we are going to learn what is meant by plane. This is the plane. It can grow here, 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 this side, this side. It can grow everywhere, so it is called plane. This is the plane. Don't forget what is meant by plane. These were the basic concept in the geometry. In next video, we will see the linear points and collinear points and non-collinear points and the exercise given on it. Thank you.